Welcome to my channel, Smart Upgrades. Today we are reviewing the Philips Hue Dymera indoor and outdoor smart wall light. If you are entirely ready to purchase an expensive matte black aluminum chunk of architecture that will comfortably allow you to mask your deep-seated home improvement anxiety behind a wall-washing spectrum of 16 million automated digital colors, the product link is located below in the description. I have been testing this heavy-duty dual-beam luminary for the past few weeks, and it turns out that Philips Hue has engineered a fascinatingly premium luxury trap for our fundamentally aesthetic-obsessed species. They took an earthed metal chassis weighing nearly 4 solid pounds and crammed it full of advanced, independent, multi-source light technology, effectively turning your plain outdoor patio or boring living room wall into a high-end architectural focal point. Let us bypass the standard glossy corporate marketing fluff and look directly at the actual technical performance under the hood. Because we are dealing with serious electrical components and specific luminous fluxes here, not magic. At the absolute core of this fixture are two separate, integrated, light-emitting diode sources, firing in opposing vertical directions. Most basic outdoor smart lights give you a single unified color strip, forcing your top and bottom beams to look identical, like a cheap highway motel sign. The Dymera completely obliterates that limitation by offering independent control over each individual beam through the native mobile application. You can blast an eerie deep purple upward to accentuate your roofline, while simultaneously throwing a warm white downward to safely guide your feet away from the lawn decorations you forgot to clean up. It delivers a total light output of 1020 lumens when cranked up to a cool 4000 Kelvin temperature, and it maintains a highly impressive 970 lumens, even at a cozy standard warm white of 2700 Kelvin. That is roughly 37% brighter in standard ambient modes than older heritage models, ensuring your house stays vividly illuminated without looking like a washed-out football stadium. Why exactly should you choose this specific Philips Hue model over the endless sea of cheap alternative smart lights flooding the market? It comes down to industrial build durability combined with absolute ecosystem stability. Cheap off-brand outdoor lights are typically cast from thin, hollow plastic that yellows, cracks, and lets in moisture the exact moment it experiences a real thunderstorm. The Dymera features a fully ruggedized IP4 weatherproof rating and a rock-solid metal frame designed to easily survive years of brutal wind and rain. Furthermore, it operates flawlessly across both Bluetooth wireless and Zigbee communication protocols, while budget lights constantly disconnect from your home wireless internet network and force you to power cycle your breakers in frustration. This unit maintains a rock-solid connection. When paired with the dedicated hardware hub, it unlocks advanced local smart automations, remote away-from-home controls, and universal compatibility with Matter, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Installation is brilliantly optimized for the modern DIY consumer via a two-stage mounting bracket. You simply screw the lightweight backplate to the wall, complete your electrical wiring safely, and then slide the heavy main fixture onto the base, securing it tightly with two simple screws. Ultimately, this premium wall light does not pretend to be a low-cost budget basic. It is a highly specialized, incredibly solid piece of smart home luxury that strikes the perfect balance between sharp architectural styling and absolute automation reliability. If you are ready to completely transform the exterior of your house and make your neighbors deeply jealous of your ambient lighting choices, the product link is located below in the description.